Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, it's all about this glossy, delicious orange chicken. Here's what you'll need. 1 beaten egg, skinless chicken breasts, white pepper, self-raising flour, cornflour leaves. We'll also need fresh orange, shredded iceberg lettuce, basmati rice, spring onions, and tongs. For this recipe, we'll use a sharp knife, chopping board, mixing bowls, colander, frying pan. This recipe takes about 30 minutes from start to finish. Chicken fries in 10 minutes, sauce thickens in 15, and plating takes just 5. Mix egg with salt and white pepper, then coat the chicken evenly. Fry until golden and crispy on both sides. Whisk orange cordial with cornflour and gently thicken. Slice, drizzle, garnish blood, and serve hot. Enjoy your meal, and I'll see you in the next episode.